Hi, dear students. Good morning. Today's topic is Multimedia Production Team. What is a multimedia production team? A team which manages to get the maximum outcome is known as the multimedia production team. Managing team members in a way to get maximum outcome with high degree of efficiency is mandatory in multimedia production. So we have to get a better outcome, a very successful outcome. So managing the team members in an effective manner, that is done by the multimedia production team. This team comprises of 9 persons or 9 members. The first person is production manager, the second person is content specialist, third person script writer, fourth text editor, fifth multimedia architect, sixth computer graphic artist, 7 audio and video specialist, 8 computer programmer, and 9th webmaster. So these 9 persons are the production team members. Everyone have to play their own role in an effective manner to get the product in a successful manner. So let us see about each one of the team members' responsibility. Production manager. The role of production manager is to define and coordinate the production of the multimedia project in time and with full quality. So production manager is the person who is coordinating the production of the project. He have to take care that the project is completed in time with good quality. How should a production manager be? He should be an expertise in the technology expert, good at proposal writing, good communication skill, budget management skill, experience in human resource management, efficient team leader. So he should know well about the technology. Means today we have lot of new technologies which are applicable in the multimedia field. So a team manager or the production manager should be expert in those technological field as well. Good at proposal writing. He should be a good writer. Good communication skill. He is the person who is going to coordinate the other team members. So he should be a good communicator. If he is not a good communicator, the coordination will be in trouble. Budget management. He is a person who is producing the multimedia project. So he should know how to manage the budget. Experience in human resource management. So there are 8 other members in the team. If he is not good in managing those persons, the production will be in trouble. He should be a efficient team leader. So only a good leader can manage the other persons. So these are the qualities what a production manager should have. The next person is the content specialist. So who is a content specialist? He is responsible for the proposed application's content. So A content specialist is the person who looks after the application's content. So, what is the theme of the project? That is the responsibility of the content specialist. Then, what is a program content? The program content refers to the project's information, graphics, data, or facts presented through the multimedia production. So, the theme, what information is going to be given with the multimedia production? What kind of graphics, what data, what facts, all these are known as program content. And all these things are the responsibility of the content specialist. The third person is the script writer. So we all have heard about script writer. So he is the person who is going to visualize the theme. He writes the concept in a three-dimensional environment. So video and film scripts represents a linear sequence of events. So we know that how the event should take place, one after the other. Which one is the first, then second, then third, then fourth. So in such a order, how it should take place. That is given by the script writer. So he is the person who visualizes the concept in a three-dimensional format. If he needs the virtual reality, he adds that into the program. So these are the things what a script writer can do. He coordinates the event in a sequential manner and he visualizes the concept in three-dimensional environment or in virtual reality environment. The fourth person whom we are going to see is the text editor. So the content of multimedia production always must flow logically and the text should always be structured and correct grammatically. Text and narration is an integrated part of the application. So, who is a text editor? He is the person who allows the flow of the multimedia production. The text should be shown in a good manner, a readable manner, a legible manner, without any grammatical mistakes. So, text is one of the very important part of application. So we might have seen the subtitles in the films and all those things. So these subtitles, those are given by the text editors. The next person in the team is the multimedia architect. We all know who is an architect. One who is building a house or something is an architect. So here also a multimedia architect is a person who integrates the building blocks of a multimedia. Those are like graphics, text, audio, music, video, photos and animations by using authorizing software. So a multimedia architect is a person who integrates or build a multimedia product by integrating so many mediums. The next person whom we are going to see is the computer graphic artist. The role of computer graphic artist is to deal with the graphic elements of programs like backgrounds, bullets, buttons, pictures editing, 3D objects, animations, and logos, etc. So what is the work of a computer graphic artist? He is the person who looks after the backgrounds of the product, if any bullets is needed, or if buttons are needed, pictures are needed, or picture editing is to be made, or a 3D object is to be made, or some animation is to be created, or particular logos are to be inserted. All these things are done by the computer graphic artist. The seventh person, audio and video specialist. We all know if a multimedia product should be successful, the audio and video plays a very important role in that. The role of these specialists are needed for dealing with narration and digitalized videos to be added in multimedia presentation. They are responsible for recording, editing, sound effects, and digitizing. So whatever the audio or video is to be added in the presentation, that is done by the audio and video specialist. The accurate and apt sounds or videos which are to be digitized, all these things are done by the audio and video specialist. They are responsible for the recording, editing sound effects, and digitizing. The eighth person in multimedia product or production is the computer programmer. So we all know multimedia production or multimedia product is done by some particular softwares. So this program can be implemented by writing proper scripts or coding in a special programming language. So the programming language should be selected according to the size and shape of video, windows, controlling peripherals, and so on. So what type of devices we are using, according to that, or for what devices we are creating the multimedia product, according to that the computer program should be written. So that programming is written by the computer programmer. The last person in the team is Webmaster. He is responsible for maintaining and creating an internet web page. So the success of a multimedia product is in how it is launched in the internet. So the webmaster, he is the person who creates and maintains the internet web page. He provides a wide range of community access through the web services. So a huge number of persons can access this multimedia product with the help of the webmaster. So this is about the multimedia production team. So I hope all understood today's class, and the remaining portions will be dealt later.